So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So if you don't know what the Rideshare Hub is, we specialize in gig workers especially, and independent contractors. But you know, we also talk about freelancers and just people receiving unemployment benefits because of this, you know, time that we're all in. So we've kind of expanded a little bit into that, but just so you guys know, the content that is on this channel is usually related to rideshare, which is Uber and Lyft driving, and then other gig apps such as food delivery and Amazon Flex, Instacart, stuff like that. But yeah, just so you guys have a little background, because I know there's a lot of new viewers and we do appreciate you guys, but I do also want to kind of warn you, you know, if you subscribe, you know, just keep in mind you're gonna see us pop up with tips for Uber drivers and videos like that. So in today's video, we're talking about the $600 weekly, you know, federal stimulus that's included in unemployment benefits, and this is not only just for PUA. So basically, there's 3 phases for PUA, at least here in California, but in other states as well. It's a federal thing. So the government has been giving you guys unemployment benefits weekly from the state. There's a state amount, and then also everybody's been receiving the $600 per week stimulus in addition to that. But the $600 per week is supposedly be ending. So but is it going to be extended? That's the big question. And I have some breaking news that I want to share with you guys too, and some news on that, just so you guys are in the know. So make sure you watch till the end, and also make sure you use GetUpside, the gas app. It helps you save money on gas. I just used it yesterday. I got over $1 back just by uploading a picture of my receipt. So it's very common. You get, you know, $1 or $2 back every time you fill up gas, which isn't bad. If you use my link, you'll get an additional bonus. So when you first fill up, you'll probably get like more like $3 or $4 back. But anyways, here we go. I'm just gonna sync up my phone here and we're gonna talk about this together. Here we go. This is CNN politics. Millions left in limbo as Congress lets $600 unemployment benefits lapse. This was just updated at 1:39 p.m. So about 2 hours ago. Well, it's 12:59, but you know, I'm in Pacific. Millions of jobless Americans are anxiously waiting for Congress to decide whether to extend the $600 weekly boost to unemployment benefits that's been a key economic lifeline through the pandemic shutdowns. This was the last week for which unemployment workers will receive the enhanced payment. Yep, this is the last week, guys. Even though the coronavirus relief program technically doesn't expire until July 31st, that's because payments are only provided for weeks ending on either Saturday or Sunday. Gotta read the fine print. You will not be receiving a payment next week, even though it should last until the 31st. Why? Because the 31st is a Friday. So that's how they, you know, did you dirty there. I myself personally am not receiving unemployment benefits. I did receive the Paycheck Protection Program loan, as well as the EIDL, the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. Just so you guys know, I'm a small business owner, so I didn't take unemployment. I went the small business route. But here we go. But also my funds are already, you know, have already been used, pretty much. GOP lawmakers are debating whether to reduce the payments and to possibly include a bonus for those who accept job offers because of concerns that generous enhancement is a disincentive to returning to work. Democrats have actually proposed continuing the $600 benefit into 2021. So that would mean that everyone would be receiving $600 per week until 2021. Or possibly even into 2021. So leave the video a thumbs up if you want the $600 per week to continue. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said Thursday that extending the program, which was part of the $2 trillion economic aid package passed in March, is a priority. We're not going to pay people more money to stay at home than work, but we want to make sure that the people out there that can't find jobs do get a reasonable wage replacement. So it will be based on approximately 70% wage replacement. That would equate to about $200 a week. So that number could be potentially, you know, the number. So I guess the issue right now, and it's kind of weird, is that there's a lot of people out right now who are working, who can't claim unemployment, but the people who are claiming unemployment and not working are actually making more money than the people working. And in order for the economy to go back to normal, people need to, you know, go back to work. But if people are making $600 per week plus their state amount, which could be hundreds of dollars and even more than 400, some people are making $1,000 per week just staying at home. So if that continues, why would they want to go back to work when they're making 50 grand a year just chilling at home? You see what I'm saying? Keep in mind, they don't need to spend any time working. They don't need to commute, and they don't need to use their energy to work. And they could actually even start up a small business on the side. Well, I guess you wouldn't be able to, you know, generate any profit or income, but I don't know, maybe work on a product or something. Losing the weekly $600 benefit would cause an estimated 41% to spend more than half their income on rent, leaving them at greater risk of evictions. Got a Snapchat. Should I check it? You guys want to see what kind of juicy snaps I get from my friends? From these girls? Let's check it. Busy. Can't relate. Haley, I still have yet to get Dunkin's. Bruh, Dunkin' Donuts. I'm addicted. Haha, yes. Nice. Great snaps, Dylan. Good job. I'm sure your audience really cares about those snaps. Sorry to all those girls I just exposed. No one wins and... Oh, got one more. Should I check it? Yeah, I'm gonna be lonely because all my college friends can't go back to LA. Okay, I'll hit you up then, girl. Cancel. Oh, whoops. Here we go. Let's finish this out. No one wins and everyone loses if we allow supplemental UI benefits to expire with no replacement. So apparently... Colton Blount of Dallas is worried about how he'll pay his bills on just $520 a week. So Colton Blount, this guy in Dallas, he's been getting $520 a week plus $600 a week. That's been $1,220 a week. So he's been making $1,220 a week times 52 divided by 12. He's making $4,800 a month. He should have been saving that amount, low-key, but regardless. Ending a program because they assume a few people are making a little extra while it's keeping the rest of us afloat is ridiculous and shows how out of touch several are in the Congress. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's a few people. I think it's a lot of people who are, I think it's most people who are gonna kind of take advantage of not going back to work. That's the whole issue. I don't agree with that person, I'm sorry. Yeah, guys, I don't want to extend this too long, but just so you guys know, that is what's going on. So most likely it will be replaced. It probably won't be the full 600 amount, but it will probably be a couple $100 according to this article and to these economists. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and make sure to use the link down below for GetUpside to save money on your gas and get cash back when you do fill up gas. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye, guys.